Hi Cardinals, my name is Meghan Hernandez. I am an academic advisor at Concordia Ann Arbor. I am going to go through some tutorials on academic planning. So in this video series, whatever you want to call it, I'm going to go over how to display unofficial academic transcripts. That's helpful for just knowing what classes you've already taken so that you can kind of compare requirements, program requirements, core requirements, graduation requirements to what you've already taken. You can also see what grades you've got if your program has specific grade requirements. It's just a really helpful thing to be able to access. And I get emails all the time just asking, did I already take this class? It's so easy, so I'm just gonna walk you through it. I'm gonna share my screen with you. All right, so you are gonna go to the portal. I've already signed in here, and you're right off the bat gonna go to the student tab, so it's already there. Once you are at the student tab, you're gonna scroll down until you see a box that says banner self-service. So you kind of have to scroll a little bit, but here it is. Right here, you click on banner self-service. I'm gonna scroll down because and then you click on student records, academic transcript. Okay, when you get to this page, you just click submit and it will display your unofficial transcript. And like I said, this is just gonna go over what classes you've already taken, what grade you got in the class. Just something to note, you cannot use this as an official transcript. So you may need an official transcript for, let's say you're applying for maybe a scholarship or you're applying for grad school and they're asking for transcripts. They're referring to official transcripts, this is unofficial. So this is really for your records, and this is just a great starting piece for academic planning and understanding where you're at in your program. One thing to note is if for some reason this is linked to like the financial aid office, so sometimes let's say you have a hold on your account or something, it will not display your transcripts, and there will be like a little alert that says unable to display due to financial aid holds or academic record holds or something to that effect. If that shows up for you, it's good in a couple ways. One, it's a little bit of a red flag or not a red flag, but just a reminder that you should probably check in with the financial aid office if this is something that surprises you. Another thing is it's good, don't give up there. It's good to be able to see your academic transcript. So if for some reason you get that message, please email me and I can help, or whoever your academic advisor is, and I can help get you access to that. And whoever your advisor would be able to help in that situation too. There's no reason you shouldn't know where you're at, what you've taken. So if you get that message, don't let it stop you there. So yeah, this video has just been about finding your academic transcript. The next videos are going to be about how to find your course catalog, how to know which course catalog, even like what that even is and what that means to you. And then just how to compare the two. So I'm going to go through every step of just understanding your four-year plan, understanding your academic plan, why that matters to you, because these are your graduation requirements. You will be held responsible for them. And so I know if it were me, I would want to know what I'm being held responsible for. So I'm going to be making videos to that effect, even how to register. Where do I go to register? So thanks for watching, and let me know if you have any questions. So excited to be helping you guys. Have a good day.